2, 1, 2. I said microphone check. 1, 2.
Good morning, Colorado Springs. It's 8 a.m. Beautiful blue skies. Check that out. And we are about to mix some concrete right there. Let me show you what we got going on this project. Amazing project we are so thankful for. So this pathway had metal edging going around, and this breeze stuff in the walkway was spilling out into all of the surrounding rock. So we pulled out the metal, we've pushed this rock back out of the way and given ourselves a nice trench, and we're gonna fill that trench with concrete and we're gonna stamp it, and it's gonna look so beautiful, and it's gonna stay where we put it. Amazing. So he also has this flagstone patio here. Flagstone patio is gonna get surrounded with concrete because he had metal there and the things were spilling out, and so we're gonna be surrounding that. Bunch of mulch islands. So these islands, the mulch is well, again, just like the breeze, the mulch falls out. So he wants something, we're gonna put a little bit taller border around each of those mulch islands. And that is gonna be very nice. So yesterday we spent a good portion of the day just getting everything ready. Pushing the mulch back out of the way, pulling these rocks way out, pulling back the weed fabric, and then we started doing some work. So yesterday we were able to pour this portion of his pathway. Look at how nice. Isn't it beautiful? I mean, everything is just consistent. The pathway looks great. So we'll push this rock back up against here. This will get just a little bit of added, this is called a golden sunset breeze inside. We'll add mulch to the islands when we're all done. Gorgeous. So thankful for the project. And this is Meridian Ranch, Colorado Springs, Colorado. About to mix some concrete, and here we go again. Engine needs a starter. Wait, Grant,
yes.
You are the starter.
Starting it up.
Go. Oh yeah!